Hey guys, what is going on? I hope you're all doing well and I hope you're having an amazing day, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video I'll be teaching you guys how you can harvest blood in Skyrim for the quest Discerning the Transmundane, which is the Hermaeus Mora Daedra quest. So let's get right into it. First of all, I want you to excuse me for using screenshots since it helps me save space on my computer pretty much, so bear with me. But yeah, anyway, to get the quest Discerning the Transmundane, you need to go to the College of Winterhold and talk to the Orc Custodian or Librarian, whatever he is. He'll point you to Septimus Cygnus, who is northeast of Winterhold, from what I remember, and he'll give you this quest. And once you, this can also be achieved through the main storyline quest as well. You will need the lexicon to actually unlock the Elder Scroll. And once you get the lexicon from Septimus Cygnus, you need to go to Blackreach and to actually unlock the Elder Scroll, which means the lexicon will be able to be used. And you take it back to Septimus Cygnus and he'll tell you to gather blood from 5 races. I think it's all 3 elf races, plus the orcs and one more maybe. And to actually harvest it, you need to find a corpse, a fresh corpse rather, of any of the 5 races. Which means you will most likely have to kill them. You can find them in a lot of places, either in bandit camps or in the Thalmor Embassy, for example, for High Elves. Once you kill them, you just press use on them, or on their bodies rather, and you will be given the option to harvest the blood. Once you do that, you will be told to go back to Septimus Cygnus, give him the blood, and he will be killed by Hermaeus Mora, and you will be given the Augma Infinium. I hope that's satisfactory to you guys. I hope you enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.